Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive right into how to plan a marketing campaign using Monday.com, your complete guide for 2025. First up, we're going to set up a new board. Click on Create at the bottom left, then Board. Name it after your campaign. Now, the reason we do this is to have a dedicated space for all the tasks, deadlines, and team members involved in your campaign. Next up, it's time to add columns for task status, assignees, and due dates. Click Add Column and choose the relevant options. This helps us because it creates a clear visual representation of who's doing what and when it needs to be done. Now that we've done that, let's add our tasks. Click Add Item and start typing your task. Keep them specific, like design campaign graphics or write blog post. The importance here is to break down your campaign into manageable, measurable tasks. Let's not forget to assign tasks. Click on the task, then on Assignee, and choose a team member. This is important because accountability boosts productivity and helps avoid confusion about who's supposed to do what. Moving on, we're going to set our deadlines. Click on the task, then due date, and select a date. Timelines keep us on track and ensure that every task contributes to the overall campaign goals without delay. Lastly, don't forget to use the Updates section for each task. Click on a task, then Updates, and type your message. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This section keeps everyone informed about task progress, creating an open line of communication. And there you go. You've just planned a marketing campaign in Monday.com. This process helps keep your campaigns organized, transparent, and on schedule. Remember, the key to a successful marketing campaign is a well-organized plan. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.